Good morning to all the students of final year. The UGC yesterday gives the revised guideline on examination and academic calendar for the university in view of a COVID-19 pandemic. I am Dr. Yogesh Banginwar, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Arts and Science College, Apulga. Now, the University Grant Commission has issued the guideline on examination and academic calendar for university in view of a COVID-19 pandemic and subsequent lockdown on a 20 April 2020. In this guideline, it was proposed to conduct the examination in July 2020. The said expert committee was requested to revisit the guidelines for examination and academic calendar as the number of COVID cases are still rising and likely to increase further. The report of the expert committee was considered and approved by a commission in its emergent meeting held on 6 July 2020. In continuation to early guideline issued by 20 April 2020 and based on the report of the expert committee, the following a revised guideline on examination and academic calendar for the university in view of COVID-19 pandemic were also approved by the commission in emergent meeting held on 6 July 2020. Now, what exactly this guideline? In the view of emerging situation related to the coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic in India, it is important to safeguard the principle of health, safety, fair and equal opportunity for students. At the same time, it is very crucial to ensure the academic creditability, future career opportunities and future progress of a student globally. The academic evaluation of student is very important, a milestone in any education system. The performance in examination gives a confidence and satisfaction to the student and is an reflection of a competence, performance and credibility that is necessary for a global acceptability. Now, in this guideline, the UGC indicates to take the final year examination. Now then, what will be the mode? The mode of terminal, a semester or final year examination 219 or 20 academic session. The university are required to complete the examination by the end of September 2020 in offline, that is pen and paper, or online or a blended online plus offline, a mode following the prescribed protocol guidelines related to a COVID-19 pandemic. The second guideline, the provision of the examination through the special chance. In case of a student of final year is unable to appear in the examination conducted by the university for whatever so the reason, maybe he or she may be given an opportunity to appear in a special examinations for such courses or papers which may be conducted by university as and which are feasible, so that the student is not put to any inconvenience or damage to their academic career. The above provision shall be applicable only for the current academic session 2019 and 2020 as an one-time measures. A backlog of paper in respect of a terminal semester or final year student. Now it is an mandatory. The student of the a terminal semester or final year student having the a backlog should compulsory be evaluated by the conducting examination in offline pen and paper. Online, a blended online plus offline mode as per the feasibility and suitability. The fourth, the guideline regarding the intermediate semester or year examination will remain unchanged as notified on 20th April 2020. The relevant details, if need be, pertaining to the admissions and academic calendar in the universities and colleges shall be issued separately in place of those mentioned in the earlier guideline issued on April 29, 2020. Notwithstanding the above guideline regarding the conduct of examination and commencement of a next academic session, every university or institution has to ensure that it is prepared in all the respect to carry out the academic activities following necessary protocols, guidelines, directions, advisories issued by the central as well as a state government. At the same time, MHRD or UGC from time to time in view of a COVID-19. A press release. Thank you.